A feedback pentova. This is a skunk. First things first, huge nose.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that.
Okay, what I see here is 2 strong points. I like your fur technique, but I believe the best would be us to make it not so many small ones. We can get some longer ones. Okay, I'm gonna be doing some long locks of fur.
Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make.
Oh, do you want angry look?
Drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame.
Charter is feeling angry. This thing here is going to appear, okay? It's not going to be here, the eyebrow. Now we're gonna go even more down. When your OC is mad, things go really close in the eyes. All this area here gets closed.
She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's
We can see how much angry he looks right now. When someone is angry, there's a normal face here, normal face. And there's when someone is angry. When someone is angry, you draw an X in the face. What do I mean by that? You draw an X. This upper area here is going to be the eyes, and this lower area here is going to be the mouth.
coming closer for a taste.
The line of the mouth.
Everything just fade away 'cause she's like
Okay, everything here is pretty dark in the middle of the X.
on a tight frame, all game, no shame, baby game.
There's many layers of fur happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're separating pretty much the same distance, but they are not separating by what is happening below the fur. They can separate by what is happening below the fur. What it would be, the anatomy. As an example, there is the zygomatic bone here. I love drawing that bone. Don't know why, I just love it. I just love it. You can separate here a lock of fur. Here's the first lock of fur. But it would not be going down. It would be going outside. Remember the X format of the face? If we want to make this eye look like it's really shiny, lower area brighter. Lower area must be brighter.
Losing time,
Upper area
wanna make it last.
not as bright. And I'm rotating the hue.
Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes
Some reflection of the eyes, why not? If it's glowing green.
that'll give you relief.
Here it's not going to be up. Normally. This area here. It's going to formate a specific area going up and another area not going so up.
Maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness.
There's too much blue going on down here. And there's not enough darkness here to justify it. I see small pieces of fur. We gotta connect them in a certain way. That they become one. They need to become one together. I believe this is what was missing the most. Getting the first soft and gentle. Now let's take out this green. Out of here. Understand the green being here, but not at the rest. Something that I added more here was here to be a shape. All this frontal area here to be a different shape from the side here. We gotta see that it's a different shape. If we understand that, our drawing can improve much faster. Green the nose. Nose reflect a lot. Noses reflect so much.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne.
About the teeth, I believe we can render more. Not only render, we can change a little bit the format. You can see here as an example the format of the teeth. Like why there is a hole here.
Me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
The only thing I would say is recommend studying the anatomy on the teeth, because we tend to think that these two are the main ones that appear the most, but no. The down ones, they appear too a lot. Okay, let's go, second paint over. This artist here does an amazing gradient. But something that can be improved is light. Light shadows, light shadows, shadows, light, shadow, light. We can always improve, all of us. So let's go!
This life gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag.
I'm going to take out some of your rendering. I'm sorry, but I need to change some things here. This area here is a little bit into blue, but this area here is not. If this is a different color, I totally understand. This area here of the muzzle being a different color, I understand. But in the shadow, it's not a different color. So it means all this area is the same color. Why I'm doing the eye line art darker? Wolves, tigers. Animals that tend to have the darker outer line.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints.
There's a little bit of blue light. And the ambient doesn't show blue light. Do you know what it means? We add blue.
We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague.
Gradient of doing everything soft and gentle.
God is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic.
Small, simple highlights here. Don't do everywhere. Bruh, the light's coming from there. Not gonna hit you. Not. Just not. Nah. Get out.
Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas.
What is the color here? It's black? No, it's black. Not necessarily black is going to be completely reflected. It's going to completely reflect. It depends on the angle that the lights is touching, is going to that black. We gotta change that. Not everywhere is going to be brighter here. Not everywhere. Spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. Here, look at this black fur. This guy is going to reflect so much, but this here is the brightest part. I'm not going to make it too bright because this is a black fur and it's diffused. The light touching it on shepherds, I was really seeing on shepherd fur, the light that touches there is diffused. And this one is a little bit of a shorter fur, a little bit more into husky, but it's still diffused. It's not going to be like, wow, huge reflection. Just want to show it here. Now let's go into liquefy. Heck yeah. The fur here, the ears, everything gets thicker here. Because we are seeing all of this area of the head. Okay, those eyes. We can get those eyes like cray-cray. Color burn. We gotta burn. Oh, we can use black. Why not use pure black?
How to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
But I don't recommend using pure black if you don't feel like it and if you don't understand how to manage it.
I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
Right now we are going to use curves. Oh, it's not complicated. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's pretty much you just creating random dots in a line until you find the place that you like. And then just go changing colors and just saying like, hey, I like you, I don't like you. I love you, no, I don't love you. And if you don't like what you did, just delete the dot. Select the dot, delete. Go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Now we're going to screen. Down, myself, down. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe on YouTube. Do my very best for you guys. Bye bye. You're amazing, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.